Hi everyone, I'm Owen Rask from Rask Australia. I'm joined by equity mates. We've got Ren and we've got Bryce here, and we're here to welcome you to our courses that we're doing together. Bryce, maybe throw it over to you first, mate. Why is it important for us, and why do we want to work together?
Well, Owen, firstly, really excited to do this. Ren and I have been wanting to get some courses off the ground for a while, but Equity Mates and Rask Australia share the same mission, which is to make markets accessible and to empower people to take that next stage of their investing journey. And through, I think, these two courses, the Get Started Investing course and the VIP, we're going to provide the opportunity for you to take that next step. So there's some epic courses, and I can't wait for people to get started.
Yeah. How about you, Ren? Like, when you were starting your journey, did you want courses like these to get you going and to help you, I guess, just get up to speed and test your own knowledge?
When I started my investing journey, I thought I knew everything.
Oh, of course.
So a course was the last thing from my mind. Should I have been thinking courses? That's a different question. But I think what we've learned over the journey is that getting started is so difficult. It's so confusing. There's so much information out there. It's really difficult to navigate. And often people put it in the too hard basket. They decide, I don't know how to choose a broker. I don't know how to choose a stock. I don't know how to choose an ETF. So I'm just not going to choose. And that's a real shame, because investing is one of the most important life skills. The benefits of investing can be generational, and the majority of Australians don't get started. So I think courses like this that give people a really easy and simple way to start, I think are super valuable. And, Bryce said that we've been looking to get a course for a while. We don't quite have the knowledge that you do, Owen, of building websites and courses and investing as well. So, we're really excited to be partnering with you. We've seen the impact that your courses have on people that have done it. And so hopefully we can get more people doing it, more people started investing, and more people then moving on to the VIP program and getting stuck into some DCFs and company analysis as well.
Yeah, that's it. No matter where you are in your journey, you can find something on the site to learn and develop. And so we're super excited about this. It's fully online. It's really easy. It's really accessible. And we'd love to hear from you and for you to enroll in the courses and just tell us what you think. So be sure to shout us out on social media. And let's just get stuck in.